Welcome back, guys. Cryptophile channel. Today I would like to show you just the local updates for BTC. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, I want to show you this chart, what I shared with you yesterday. I found just interesting chart. I've never seen this one. A Bitcoin cycles repeat chart. So most realistic chart I ever seen. Logical one, you know? Why it's logical? Because it based it on EMA 1,459 days, MA 200 days, and price end of the day. So we got three lines, and looks like it works perfectly well. Of course, we can't know the bottom here, but at least it looks like logical top. So it's showing now, even by time, here like possible top, 162K in October 2025. Is it possible? Basically, yes. And it looks realistic, right? And only based on this model, only in 2029, in April or May, you know, we could see like 271 price end of the day. And there's nothing about like 50K, 1 million per BTC. So guys, this is the most realistic chart I ever seen, you know, from some websites, you know, because there's a lot of BTC progression, BTC rainbow chart, peace cycle, a lot of stuff. My take for BTC, absolutely the same. And wait, you know, this one target, 139, 182. So between these two lines around here, 161K, possible to see the top of the top for BTC. So one more, basically the last impulse can be like 1, 2, and maybe 3. So around here, we're going to stop it. Maybe, we can't know. So this is like a trend line. What do people love to draw, right? Like a top. So it's kind of weird, you know, how again and again and again, every single cycle, some big guys trying to sell you the dream about BTC to 1 million. Maybe one day we will hit the 1 million, right? But not now. This is like rejection line. I guess we have to break it out, you know, and I know it's going to be the September, October, everybody talk about it. Yes, we're going to the moon. And after that, we'll land it back to the next bear market. Bear market is shown here like 44K. Where the 44K based on this FIB local. I'm gonna show the local one. 44K is here. So based on this FIB, what I track since the top, this one 27 block bounce, we can hit the new high, right? And 44. So of course the lines are dynamic. It's like 47, 0.5 level by FIB of this one, 43K. It's possible, and it sounds even logical one. Of course, on a market zero logic, basically here, there's gonna be like 65% down, 70% down. So if we count like 75, right? Why 75? Because approximately usually we drop 75%. So 167K, 168. Here's a 73. Maybe we're going to hit the even 73. We can't know, right? But approximately, I guess, the top will be in this range, like 139, 165, for example. But this is not that much. From this current price, like 45, 45, 46%. And everybody going to be top area for the market for BTC. Also, the people now, draw the chart. Let's hide. Let me show you the local FIB, right? This one. So locally, what we can wait. If we count this like on a 4-hour time frame, this like last impulse, top, correction, 61 here, bounce, drop, capitulation can be once again 97, 362, 95, 983. Is it possible? So we're going to drop that low? Maybe. Next target is here on CMA. CMA, the gaps. So here, this one gap, it's 106K 395. There is no gaps here. Only one still relevant here. This tiny one, small. but I don't think so. We're going to drop to 92K. Maybe it's possible. Weekly, no gaps. So even in this one is closed. So I can't say something about the gaps because even this one closed. Nothing basically. So the space is open. All right, so TMA we can close. Another story would be, so my take is, local one. Would it be good to see the task 148, 104K, 887, this one, 102K. Capitulation is 95, 97. I don't believe this is end of cycle, this is end of bull run or so. No, we're just in the seasonality correction in summer. So here was a summer, March till even September, and after September we start recover. So basically the lowest point was in August. If this is the same story here in August around here, we can see the recover back. So yes, probably we can drop even to 97K, 95, maybe even to 88. What people draw now, I also don't think so. This is something similar. 1, 2, double top, 1, 2. So maybe, but I don't think so. This is it. I don't think so, right? So this is something similar, right? So a lot of people draw something like, I don't know, some cap and handle. So this one, cap and handle. So the size of this cap and handle should be, let's count this one. So around here, 126. Is it possible to see the 126? Yes. Guys, there's million variation, but I follow my plan, and locally would be good to see the BTC around 104, 102. Capitulation 95, 88. So it's for long. Of course, I'm not a fan to invest at this current prices into BTC. No makes sense even to show the BTC now at 100K, at even 95K. So no makes sense. So a risk ratio, right? It's not a good one. And BTC is not a safe haven. Of course, if you're the BTC maxi and you believe in 1 million per BTC for the long run, of course you can accumulate even at 95K, but I don't see any reason. So some people now see the inverse head and shoulder. So based on this logic, we should drop to 89. I'm not a fan of all these patterns, and it's logical one why I'm not a fan, because these patterns doesn't work. Just basically doesn't work. There are some rumors about the Fed will start cut the rates in June, maybe, but I already explained to you. So my take is we will go higher based on the just simple liquidity inflow from the stable coins this low. Imagine 240 billion now sit in stable coins in total. So they don't need even print the money, waste the paper to print the dollars if they can just flow just market with stable coins like legal. So guys, my take for BTC local one is 104 would be good one to test. So this one is going to be 103, 294 full fill. 104K is more than enough. This one test. Some people draw the trend line, like rejection. So here, rejection. So we should drop to the bottom, bounce, retest, and go higher. Maybe. Guys, there's million variation, so this is equilibrium. So there's million variation, what we can see on the chart. But my take and like a conclusion, I don't think so. This is a double top. I don't think so. This is the end of cycle. I don't think so. We will never see the altcoin season. So I think the stablecoins law will be approved, right? One take, next one, they will start cut the rate, but it's not affect the price like people waiting, right? After that, I don't think so. They will drop the rate to 2% again. No, everything will be totally different. 3% can be new standard, for example, or 2.5. And I believe in new all-time high for BTC in this summer, or I don't know, maybe autumn. So guys, write us in a comment, what do you think about BTC at this current moment? What do you think about this model? If you would like to trade with my customer success, just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time.